Hello guys, so today we are here to solve our daily lead code challenge for the day. The problem is that we have to divide array into arrays with max difference. Okay, so we are given an input array nums, okay, and then we have to divide this input array nums into several arrays. Okay, so here if you take a look at this input, it's given, in this it is mentioned we are given an input array nums, and also we are given an integer value k. So what this k is all about, to so for that we have to dig deep into the problem statement. So the problem statement is telling you are given an integer array nums, okay, nums of size n. Okay, the nums is of size n. Okay, and then n is a multiple of 3 and a positive integer k. So n is a multiple of 3. So if you divide n by 3, there will be no remainder. So n percent 3 will be equal to 0. Now the thing that we need to do is that we need to divide this array nums into n by 3 arrays of size 3, satisfying the following condition. The difference between any two elements in one array is less than or equal to k. The difference between any two elements in one array is less than or equal to k. So first of all, we will create the, we have to return the 2D array containing the arrays. So first of all, we'll create the, result array, which is a 2D array, and then will be, you know, so first thing is that this length is equal to n by 3 and all of them are equal to 3. This is, given in the problem statement. And now the main constraint of this problem is this line. Okay, the difference between any two elements in one array is less than or equal to k. K is the given integer. Now how can we minimize the difference between any two elements in an array? We can minimize the difference between adjacent elements in the array by sorting them. If we sort all of the elements, then all the, elements which are within a given span, they lie near to each other, and that will help us in solving this problem. So with this insight, we will go and sort this problem, arrays dot sort. Okay, and we'll pass this given input array, and after sorting this our job is done. Okay, what we will do, that we'll go through the array, okay, and we will go to the, go till the n minus third element, and we will be, you know jumping three elements, three size, you know three index jumps. And what we will do, that if nums nums of I plus 2 minus nums of I is greater than equal to is greater than k, then we will return an empty array. To return an empty array, what we will do, like this. Okay, and what we will do here, uh, the other thing that we need to do, that we need to create one array. Okay, int array. Okay, and how we'll be creating the array? We'll be creating the array by, um, nums of I nums of I plus 1, nums of I plus 2, like this, and we'll be assigning this to the result. So for that we need to have one more index. So let's declare this index, and so let's this index be here, result of j is equal to arr, and then finally we are just going to return this result array. Okay, so let me run this and see whether it's successfully executing it or not. Result might not have been initialized. Oh, here I have to make it. Okay, perfect. Let's submit it. Perfect. So I hope you liked this solution. With this, I'm thanking you. Thanks a lot. Happy coding. Best wishes.